Good day. Here are the notes for 5-6 inequalities. You need a note sheet. That's really all you need today. I am going to collect this for a grade. So make sure you're getting everything that goes down on here. Okay. Let's start with some general examples. Okay. Let's just draw a triangle, handle some definitions. A, B, C. We've got included, and we have included angles, and included sides. Okay. So included, I don't know if you guys are too young for this, but it used to be like batteries not included when you got a toy, and so you had to get the batteries. They weren't in the package, right? So included is in between, with, in the middle of, in terms of geometry. So included angle. So if we were talking about angle included between A, B, and B, C. Okay, and my advice for all this, and I think I need to be more disciplined in making sure you guys do this, is to label what you have on the pictures. So here's AB. Here's BC. The angle that is included in those is angle B. Okay, so I'm going to write that ABC. Again, I think I need to be a little bit more aggressive with making sure we're writing stuff out, we're having the background based on the test scores from last test, which this is going to be on as well. So included angles is the angles included in between those sides. We could give you another set of sides, and you could figure that out as well. So included sides. So let's say we want the sides included between, let's go angle BAC and BCA. Okay, so again, I'm going to ask you to draw this stuff on the picture. Just start with what you know, and then there's a whole bunch of problem solving strategies you can use to sort stuff out. BAC is right here. BAC. This guy. Alright. BCA is BCA is right there. Okay, so that's the wavy part. Where do those two things overlap? Right here. So we're talking about this angle and this angle. I'll double those up. And the side included in between those two things is AC. Okay. So we will work through some of that stuff on the other side. So included sides, included angles. The next piece of the puzzle has to do with angles. Alright, so let's draw another triangle. just for simplicity's sake, let's say this is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. Those are the measures. Okay, so the way that it works is this angle is going to be the biggest. So let's say that that is 90. This guy will be the second biggest. Let's say that is 60, and this guy will be the last biggest. Let's say that is 30. Okay, and the way that those match up is they are opposite. They are opposite that side, and it works both ways. If this is the longest side, that's going to be the biggest angle. Since this is the biggest angle, this is the biggest side. Okay, so let's try and write that out in words. The longest side of a triangle is opposite the largest angle. And it goes for the second largest side of a triangle is opposite the second largest angle. And the last piece is the smallest side of a, I'm going to abbreviate, triangle, is opposite the smallest angle. Alright, so that's really what we have. And like I said, vice versa. So the smallest side is opposite the smallest angle, so the smallest angle would be opposite the smallest side. It goes both ways. Alright, so that's that. I'll give you a minute to get that in, and then we're going to do some problems. And again, I'm getting a participation grade on these notes, so I'll come around and do a spot check on them. Alright, so here we are up top, and my advice is just label what you know. Here is angle N, right there. PMN is right here. PMN. The middle letter is the vertex. And we're reviewing that again because we struggled with these simple identification things on the last test. And that stuff will be on the next test. So what side is included in those? Well, obviously it's this side right here. That's in between those two angles. So I would say it is MN, and it is a segment. Okay. The next one, and I'm going to erase this stuff, and that's why it's nice to have a pencil so we can get rid of it, or you can draw a new picture. Angle included by MP and PQ. MP is right here. So I'll just kind of mark it like that. PQ is right here. Now it's this, so the angle is going to be right here. That's included by those. Now it's not good enough just to say P, because P could be this angle or this angle. Okay, we need to really define P as this bottom one. So P is going to be in the middle. Going to have an angle, and we can go MPQ. Or if you wanted to do QPM, that would work as well. Alright. That's that for the top two. Let's move down to the bottom here a little bit. See if I can get all this stuff in here. I'm just going to add this here. There's a W there. That corner. Okay. MP and QR. Well, let's find them. MP is right here. QR is right here. Now, I know this is 12. I don't know what that is. That's okay. I just need to know which one's bigger. Now, this one is across from a 95-degree angle. Okay, so QR is paired with 95. MP is paired with 92. Which one is larger? That's it. And again, I'm writing stuff down. I've got pictures so I can see what's going on. Even if I don't know the total answer, it gives me an idea. Maybe it triggers some prior knowledge that I have. So that's that guy. Okay, I'm going to tear that down. Measure of angle T is 95 degrees. Well, here's T. T is across from 13. Here's 95. 95 is across from 12. Okay, so I'll put 12 here. I've got 13 with T. So, which one's bigger? That's it. I'll let you try the last one of that set. HLG is less than LHK. Well, let's find out where they are. HLG is going to be right here. LHK is going to be right here. Okay. We could just throw some numbers at it. HLG is right here. Let's say that's 40. LHK, bigger than that. Let's say it's 50. Okay, so GH is across from here. That is paired with 40. LK is across from here. It is paired with 50. $50 is certainly bigger than 40. Okay, last one, we'll draw it out and we'll move forward from there. Okay, I'm going to draw this one. Good habit to get into. We've been talking about it. JRN. It doesn't matter how long the sides are.